Dave Johnston here with Day Trade the Markets. We're looking at a 1-minute chart of the Emini S&P. It's the March 2017 contract. We've had a good sell-off today, and the market has rejected prices in the 2250, 2249 area, and has moved up here nicely. So you can see that with the Day Trade the Market software, it produces different kinds of structures. One of them is this high velocity move. So we're looking at several things with this software and the way we trade, mostly to do with the auction process. But as far as the software goes, it actually identifies aggression in the market, speed in the market, and likely trading zones in the market. So when we have a high velocity move like this here, which is this vertical rectangle you see shaded here, we start to get follow through. Anytime it can bounce, or anytime it can dip, I should say, into it and get rejected, you want to get on board. And so that's why the long trade has been placed right here at 57.75. Now we do have some overhead resistance. As you can see, this red band across here is a likely area of resistance, just as this likely area of support. You can see it hit the support nicely here. It's been rallying since then. I'm actually anticipating it to break through here. So I want to try and buy another 2 down here. I'm going to go ahead and put a stop in down a little bit below the market here. At 53, just to be on the safe side, just to have a stop in there. And the next level of resistance is probably around the 61 area. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at 60.75. That'll give us a 3-point profit for the first target. So I'm going to put that in there right there. That'll be our first target on this particular trade. So that's really the lay of the land at the moment. I'll go ahead and pause the recording to try and keep it short, and I'll restart it as the market dictates. Okay, just starting up the recording again. It has moved up a little bit here, quite nicely. So I'm going to cancel this buy limit down here as a result. I'm going to make an adjustment on this stop down to just 2 contracts, because obviously it's not going to come down and fill us for another 2. And then I'm going to increase this stop right up into here, just a couple of ticks below where we have entered. Actually 3 ticks below, so just below this last little dip right here. So just risking 3 ticks on this trade at the moment. And you can see the market just got up to 60.25, and our objective is at 60.75. So we'll just leave it like that for the moment. Might be trying to squeeze too much, but I think we'll just leave it for now. I just want to bring you up to date on that, and once again I'll pause the recording. Okay, just resume the recording. This market has just been going back and forth, back and forth. It came initially very close to our objective, then it came back very close to getting stopped out. Once again back up close to our objective. It came back close to our entry price, and now we rallied back up once again, fairly close to our exit here. So it's come within just a tick of it on our first objective, which is 60.75. We're long from 57.75. So this last dip that we had here, you can see, hit down at 58. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the stop to break even at this point. So let's put that marker over there. So it's a pretty slow situation here for us in the ES, off of, well, for now. Hopefully it's going to give us a bit of a boost here and really give us a nice rally. 64.50 is the high of the day, 65 actually. So it could easily get back up there to test that high. It might take until later in the session, but you know, it's been in this trade for a while now. I think I got in this, well, it's almost an hour ago, about 50 minutes ago. So we've got our break-even stop in, and just going to let it go for the time being. And I'll once again pause the recording. Okay, well, that didn't take long. It's another moment there. We did get filled, so just got filled on this bar right here at 60.75. So that's the objective on the first contract. And so I need to make an adjustment on the number of contracts for this protective sell stop down to 1 as a result. Right now we got it at break even, so we did have a bit of a dip here, and now we're moving up again. So I'm going to raise the stop just a little bit below this last dip. That was at 59.50. I'm going to raise the stop up here to 59, and that'll lock in I guess about 3 ticks on that. So um, that's okay. Let me move that marker to here. Okay, some 3 points on the um, first objective and a point and a quarter locked in on the second. So okay, we got a blue bar here. Let me just move this over now that we know the lay of the land a little bit better. So just to kind of see these bars. Now, one thing I don't like here obviously is this blue bar that's come right back down to its low. So we might be getting a temporary exhaustion here. We'll have to wait and see. But we've got our stop in place, and we'll just let that play out. So that's it for now. Once again, pause the recording. Okay, just restarted the recording. You can see here the market has come back off of that blue bar on the high. As I was saying, it quickly went down to its low, so probably get a bit of a pullback here. Got the stop in just a little bit below here. We're just one tick from getting stopped, so who knows? Looks like we probably, okay, there we go. We got stopped on that, so okay. So at any rate, oops, the exit on that one was at for just a 3 tick profit. So we were long from here, 57.75. So the second contract was exited at 59. 59, yeah, it was point and a quarter on the second contract and 3 points on the first. So the trade worked out well. I mean, utilizing the day trade the market software and coming off the low within the context of the up auction, having a high velocity move where the market dipped into it, allowed us to get long right here. Gave us, it gave us a nice trade. Yeah, as you can see here, once we were into that trade, I think it only moved what 2 ticks against us. So yeah, trade went well. And being long from 57.75, it almost hit 61 cents. So about 3 3/4 points in our favor, and we did get our 3 points in our first objective, and just 3 ticks on the second, or sorry, 5 ticks on the second, point and a quarter. Anyway, there's a trade in the Emini S&P for Thursday, January the 12th, 2017. Thanks for watching. If you need any information or want to ask us anything, you can reach us at info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.